Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial we'll learn about creating a prismatic Lightbox gallery in Framer. Since Framer recently added a feature for Lightbox galleries, I wanted to try creating a 3D prismatic one. As we scroll down, 3D prism gets rotated and we can click any image to see it bigger. Since we use the Lightbox effect, I made sure gallery holder stack is high enough so we can see a complete rotation of the gallery. Therefore, we can see every image and click to view it bigger. You can find a remix link for the file in the description, and let's get started. As you see, I have a gallery holder stack, and inside I have wrapper frames for each side. I just duplicated, creating one side frame, and using Framer's 3D transform and origin properties, rotated the duplicate to create other sides, as I did in my 3D cube tutorial. If you haven't seen it, I will leave also its link in the description below. And since before copying the image, I already had added the lightbox under the effects. Actually, let me just add on a sample image that I copied from the gallery and remove the effect. As I said, we just need to click the effects on the right panel after selecting the image and select lightbox. And there are some options, as you see, like max width, padding, etc. And it's great that we can also customize the backdrop color if we need to match it to our color theme. I guess the most challenging part was making sure all images are accessible, since this is a 3D gallery. And the easiest way to let user control the rotation of the gallery was making it sticky and adding a scroll transform. Actually, let's click to see its settings. As you see under 2, I rotated 360 degrees to make sure all images are clickable, as I said. And another important parameter for a comfortable interaction was making the gallery holder stack really high. As I said, you can see it has 3000 pixels height. As in my tests, making it smaller was making the scroll and rotation too fast in my opinion, and it wasn't a comfortable experience. So let's preview again. As you see, we can view any image larger. I also made the opacity of each side 0.8, since it gives gallery a nice depth due to its transparency. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.